Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Honda City VX, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 40,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 620,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 107,100 pesos, free transfer of ownership. '24 model Suzuki Dzire GL, almost brand new condition, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 200 kilometers mileage only, cash price, 595,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 105,100 pesos, free transfer of ownership. '16 model Honda City E, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 470,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 85,900 pesos, free transfer of ownership. '23 model Geely Coolray Sport, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 770,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 215,700 pesos, free transfer of ownership. 2023 model Toyota Rush GRS, top of the line. 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 895,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 248,700 pesos, free transfer of ownership. (2018 model Nissan NV350 Urvan Premium, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 40,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,030,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 282,500 pesos, free transfer of ownership. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.